What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video with the flea market. We just finished setting up and let's go find some stuff. I paid $1 for this, y'all. This Imation 50, these are like floppy disks I think or something, but I paid $1. I think it sells upwards of 30 bucks, but we'll see how much I actually sell it for. How much you asking on the PS2 controllers?
$5 each.
How much is Game Boy?
For just a Game Boy, 100, but 200 for the set.
Thank you.
Back for it?
I'm good. I should be good. Thank you. All right, guys, we bought this game in the book, I guess, too. Paid $28 for it, but I think it's a pretty good game. That's why I got it. It's Pokemon green, leaf green. So it's, how you doing? Pretty good game, I guess. I mean, it should be like somewhat pricey. All right, guys, we're fully set up. We're fully set up. Look at all the stuff we brought. Making good sales today. Making some good sales. Dad, stop doing that. Stop. I'm trying to talk. Let's get that one.
Don't be cheap, bro. $5 is $5. How much are you gonna make? That's 20. How much is that thing worth?
This one's only like 20 bucks. I was walking to get some food just now and I saw somebody with a Pokemon Diamond and a Pokemon White game and a Game Boy. And I wonder how much he paid for that stuff, because those are really good picks if he got cheap. Because I know Pokemon Black or White is like $80 at least. Like, that game's expensive. And Pokemon Diamond is another like at least 40 bucks at 50 bucks. I sold mine for 40. And a Game Boy, depending on which one he had, which I don't know exactly which one, is like, again, like 80 to 100 bucks, I think. Like, those are some good finds you got. How much you asked him the GameCube?
GameCube? You know what? My husband, he says that he couldn't get them to go. They go on, but they don't go. They don't.
Oh.
He couldn't get them to go.
All right. We got some of these basic booths like we always see. You know, got the clothes one. I don't really feel like it.
Here?
No.
Uh-oh.
We got like the soap place, like cleaning place. I don't really feel like walking through that, you know. Some more clothing. There's some shoes over here. I'll show you guys some shoes, I guess. Some more random stuff. Ooh, I just sold one of these recently on eBay. How much for this Atari Flashback? How much for this little thing? 10 bucks. Does this controller come with it too? This controller come with it too? How much would you do for this whole pile then? This stuff.
25. 25. 20. 20.
Do you know if this thing works?
Yeah. Go on.
I'll do it for 20. I'll see. I'm not sure. I'll gamble if it works. Screw it. Thank you.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Stixx Picks.
I'll switch you up.
That's on all platforms. Thank you. I appreciate it. Sweet. I also got a little follower. Hopefully, I appreciate it. If you guys didn't know, on YouTube, by the way, on YouTube or on Facebook, I post this on either or, but I do also have a TikTok. I actually do grow. I just, like I just said, I hit 11,000 recently. I'm growing kind of big on there. Can I get a strawberry filled churro? Thank you. Boom, jelly filled, strawberry filled churro. Things are heckin' good.
Well, I was just saying, 'cause I got my son's already like, you know.
Can I take this guy? I didn't know this came with. This is the thing I bought earlier.
I sold you what I bought. What you bought though.
Yeah, it's kind of. This came with it. Can I take it? I didn't know it came with it. It was sitting.
But you left it, so that's like another like $2. Here, just take it.
Yeah, I'm guessing they probably might want this.
Me, bro.
They probably might want this with the sale. Excuse me.
Al agua de los perros. Ya, tu bota que tiene está bien fea.
We'll grab this for $1. I bet this is more than $1, of course. Look at this. The box is messed up, but honestly, it looks new in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna. It feels like it's in here. It looks pretty new. This for $1.
$1 la pieza, $1.
What is this? What is this worth? I'll take it. I can probably list it for $10. I might as well take it. These two. Thank you. I'm gonna let everybody else get what they want. I'm happy with what I got. I got my picks for the day. I'll let other people go through, maybe get some money for the day. Hopefully they find something. Look what he found. Spawn figures. He's paid what, $180 for 30 figures, right?
Yeah, 20
All right.
cases. 30. I donate a bunch of these already to our children's donation.
Are you gonna donate these, or are you
I
gonna?
don't know because I don't think there's any more toy drives around.
Oh, all right. Well, if these do sell for about $35 a figure, upwards of 45 if you would like. You guys can look up yourself. McFarlane Designer Edition Spawn Manga Spawn. Look them up yourself. They actually sell for a good amount of money. Our neighbor's selling them. We'll take it. $5 each on every light here. 5 for 20. Great deal. That's $4 each if you get 5 items. Come on.
Hey, last week $10, not 50 for one.
15? Would you do 15 for one, Dad?
What?
One of these figures?
Yeah.
We'll do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Was that a bad deal?
I mean, we'll take it, I guess. 15. We can sell them for what, 35 you
I
said?
over doubled
On that, what, sale? We'll take it. We could make a lot more. We sell for 35 each. Sold them for.
We never got more peppermints out here.
Sold them 15 to that one person. Alright guys, I'm editing my video right now, and I guess I didn't make an outro for some reason. But if you're watching this far, thank you. I appreciate it. Put like a heart in the comments or something so I can see that. We're just driving from a unit we just picked up. We didn't even pick up. We just paid for it. He didn't even know that he was gonna win. He's like, oh, I just wanted to